Breaking. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are listening. This is a special news update coming from Nasir County, South Sudan. Monday, August 2025, at exactly 4 o'clock in the morning, residents of Mandang in Nasir County woke up to the sound of explosion, what has now been as 2-hour aerial bombardment. According to local authorities, airstrikes were carried out by the government of South Sudan using aircraft operated with support of Uganda. Witnesses say the attack struck home, livestock, and sleeping families, leaving the entire village in shock. Bombardment reportedly spread across all corners, causing people to flee for their lives. Officials said that the attack comes after a period of increasing tension in the region. Earlier this month, on August 9, local chiefs were pressured to align themselves with new political directives. When this order was not accepted, civilian population appeared to have faced the consequence through heightened insecurity. In a statement issued today, Honorable James Galwale, the commissioner of the Nasir County, condemned the airstrike in the strongest terms, described as well as a violation of human rights, called for urgent attention from the international community. The commissioner stressed that the people of Nasir County, especially the women, children, and elderly, are paying the heaviest price for a conflict they are not create. Further stated that instead of providing security and stability, the South Sudan government has repeatedly chosen to use aerial bombardment on citizens. The statement also appealed to the United Nations Security Council to take immediate action and engage the government of Uganda to prevent its aircraft from being used in attacks that arm civilians in South Sudan. Human rights organizations including Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch, as well as regional partners such as the African Union and IGAD, are being urged to investigate and respond to this ongoing crisis. The community of Nasir County, according to the commissioner, has been placed in extremely difficult living conditions due to repeated bombardment. Families are living in fear. Many have been displaced and livelihood have been destroyed. Livestock, which form the backbone of survival for many households, have also been lost in the airstrike. As of now, it is still unclear how many casualties may have resulted from today's incident. Local authorities are working to assess the damage and assist those affected. To conclude, the statement reminds the world that the people of South Sudan deserve protection, peace, and chance to rebuild their life rather than to face dangers of war plan, bomb in their Yolin Koname, a regada and chichogan wale, Kashanka, Walbadaka Paiba, and Dangro the and Joe Chalad Guasme Banjeling Bere, which Nasir County. Ka jo machala chala do nene ka gwarun wang etwogo no shukur shetwok kurana chitwok chala no nene rewika mande ka Nasir County netin wan churuden jech jo midin mebe gwan mbuko natin renyal mo renyal michu na chuka buko ko tan dangro ko gotin kontin natin ko re ruop ko wikier tel gwan mepele ka jo chala de netin kon te ka bomre wishin winemi sigala do nene kume kirme yadit la kume South Sudan chicken aircraft ki renyal te garke ji Uganda kene ji South Sudan chicken nen en renyal mo wache dul chaka wang le chok chaka nak ke chaka displace anyok jere di alan content wanamo chaka joch en rei chini rei wini na chaka joch ke chine rin wan chi ngar longo manan chala de kirme yadit aname wache tuore duar kamande ankeliu do reaching wiki ena gwasa mo medena tiketena medena tiketena irenyala mo chabok aka jo ku ko len gwasa me yala do ko kor gwase dan jo kontuo la duor be ga kor me chi kor che to ga ne me cha kume SSPD me cha de ni ken e cha kana ke do be dan chi kana goro yeno bigi yes kana kare nyal chu kana chu order niga me nyam la kore nyam e to kon dia la ngaje no ti ko ye to kor gwasan payo niga shang bangwan ka pay ba de ron ki je to kon ko no che te ka clash ne mi chi kon dia la nen chala ro ne ka shang bangwan ba la local ship kana dia la kon tere wi chen wi ne mi chu kana dia la kan ga jogo no kora kwa kapchong on teme en kor chu jana but ikim ya dit che janok according to manana shalat gwas me kwerdana kap Nasir, the Honorable James Galwalo, the Commissioner of Nasir County, Jen Pilo Guarishid Major Conning a Kuma Spilai, Epin Dr. Machar, Jen Chadwobadan and Sha Bogna, a Kumkim Yadi Chaja Condemn, Kaja look, Kaja Quet, Kadobran Jatokaja, Yelado Name, a Jene human right violation, Manakanatin Contelana, Continere which, but Kachunkian. Yen show la international community and they can man la roda malat ke kumkir mi yadi de kan Commissioner Honorable James Galwalo jen chaler longo de malder tere Ramadan logo ke mi yadi kan kontin ke kwan Ramadan la kwer ntama ka Nasir ke man tipin kin mi yadi ramo je Ramadan la jakka ko beren yal beje jakko banwer men tinne de konen kwalanek gat men kanede no machite kor ka kanede ko la kan ka kulo ya mek beken ka buk mishir no modar kulo gwade eno dong de kum men dana kulo kum ken wiade da gor yeno benaten kon be jorin be jelin ko tel ne tishuka ka ikan dur konen kun wal ku kan letin cikan ga mach ken gor no de nadaten so en wo benad buga te karwal e kir kum de kanede konen cha kwan ka Kajo chalat gwaseme Honorable James Galwalo ajane ko appeal ke jagamasi de ka United Nations Security Council or they can immediate action they can they can kum Uganda they can which ka de kare nyal mo de kan jako chigana they use against innocent people in Nasir Yola human rights organization bo wona kam Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch kan yal chol kan wo gwajamana latke akanare which in ginami kir ka do mi shugwa Community do Nasir County, Joran Shalat the commissioner, Ken Shalat situation me bej. One me mo joy kana karopaji, got ten and corner chukulo to ten can go to corner chana yoko bunglet. Yomisha mecha jelugano, men shalat, a kumikim yadit, a riek, Pijamo, Janisha Jade support, the Ramde Chongaja, Origen wo deja capchong and 18 county like national community. Do kirmi yadit melade shechong. Jo me jen jo dan go radi yen ling manana shanung kimen chala the honorable the commissioner dung Nasir County ban jo me ban jeling nono ban nyo je gale rodien ani biata ko pantin ko